there's any message at all, it's to people, it's to be aware of your strengths, the extraordinary things that you can do in the wonderful place in which we live.
What will you miss most about being the First Minister of Wales?
Well, I think the thing I'll miss most is the fantastic opportunity it gives you to meet people, because every day is different and every day is normally a chance to learn something from somebody doing something extraordinary in many, many different parts of Wales. And I'm sure I'll go on meeting people after being First Minister, but I will miss the chances it's brought me in that way.
What are you most proud of achieving during your time here as First Minister?
Well, I think it's hard to just identify one thing, and I'm not keen on looking back really, but what I've tried to do when I've been First Minister is to use the opportunity that you have to do the difficult things, the challenging things, not to just rest on your laurels and do the things that are comfortable, but to make sometimes challenging decisions in the here and now, because you are convinced that they will have long-term benefits and pay off in the lives of the people who will come beyond the time of being First Minister.
Any parting words for the people of Wales?
I want to thank all those people in Wales whose extraordinary contributions make Wales the place it is today. If there's any message at all, it's to people, it's to be aware of your strengths, the extraordinary things that you can do in the wonderful place in which we live, and together we're always stronger in being able to shape that successful future we want for all our citizens here at home. Diolch o galon I chi gyd.